Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable Windows 11 style menu in Google Chrome browser. Open Chrome browser. Click three dots on the top right corner. Click Help, click About Google Chrome. Chrome updating to version 96. Click Relaunch. Type Chrome ://flags. Type Windows 11 in search flags. Change to enabled, click Relaunch. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.